Hello children, welcome to English class. Hope all are doing good and following the classes. Well, in previous class we have finished up to page number 17 from unit 2. So today we complete the leftover pages from unit 2 from the textbook. Okay. So children, please open the textbook page number 18. Open the textbook page number 18 and also take the pencil. Okay, children? Follow it carefully and complete the pages. Okay, children? Now, page number 18. See the correct answer in each of the following. What is the name of the boy in the story? See, first question. What is the name of the boy in the story? What is the name of the boy in the story? Previous class we studied no story. Here there are three names. Mohan, Shekhar, Abhi. What is the name of the boy? Yes, Abhi. Now see second question. Who is Abhi's sister? Who is Abhi's sister? There are three names here. Meena, Rani, Lata. Meena. Meena is Abhi's sister. Take Meena. Now see third one. Where was the kitten? Where was the kitten? In the tree, in the chair, under the table. Where Abhi and Meena found the kitten? Yes, in the tree. Tick their children. Over children. Shall we move to second? Baby. Tick right the boxes where Abhi and Meena look for Sweetie. Where they look for Sweetie? Under the cot and on the cupboard. So tick cot and cupboard. Tick cot and cupboard. Okay, children. Now we'll move to C bit. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. What is the name of Abhi's pet? What is the name of Abhi's pet? Sweetie is the name of Abhi's pet. Sweetie is the name of Abhi's pet. Right, children, answer. Sweetie is the name of Abhi's pet. And see, second question. Do you have a pet? What is its name? So if you have a pet, write there. Yes, I have a pet. And write the name. If you don't have a pet, no, I don't have any pet. Right? I don't have any pet. If you don't have any pet. Okay? Take a parent hand and write answer. Second answer. Now see third question. Abhi's pet is a kitten. What is your pet? See, if you have a pet, what is a pet? Right there. If you have a dog, write dog. If you have a parrot, write parrot. Okay. If you don't have any pet, leave that answer. Now we'll move to fourth question. Abhi, look. Sweetie is in the tree. Who says this? Abhi's sister Meena says this. Abhi's sister Meena says this. Meena only said no. Abhi, look, Sweetie is in the tree. Abhi's sister Meena says this. Over, children. See, fifth question. Why do you think Sweetie didn't jump down from the tree? Why Sweetie did not jump from the tree? Because it is too small. We go to next page. Yes, page number 19. Look at the heading. Sweetie is in a tree. See, where is the Sweetie here? Sweetie is in a tree. It is a magic tree. It gives any fruit you want. Okay? It gives any fruit you want. Draw your favorite fruit on the tree and color it. See, children, draw your favorite fruit, mango or apple. Draw your favorite fruit on the tree and color the fruits. I have done it for you, children. See? Okay? Color it like this. And see the below. Write the names of other fruits that you may love to have. What other fruits you like? Write those names. Write down. Apple, A-P-P-L-A, apple. Grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Papaya, P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. Watermelon, W-A-T-E-R, watermelon. M-E-L-O-N, melon. Watermelon. Guava, G-U-A-V-A, guava. Pineapple, P-I-N-E, pineapple, A-P-P-L-E, apple, pineapple. Cherries, C-H-E-R-R-I-E-S, cherries. Banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Okay, children. I wrote apple, grapes, orange, papaya, watermelon, guava, pineapple, cherries, banana. So don't say that I like this fruit, I like only that fruit. Don't say that, okay? Eat all the fruits, children. It is very good for health. We should eat all the fruits. Finish writing, children. Hope you have written. So shall we move to next page? See page number 20. Look at the heading. Look at this animal. Yes, here, no children. Identify the animals and circle the names in the grid. Okay. See, one is done for you. Cat. First picture is cat. So, sir, already it's now. So, find out the spelling here in the grid. Where is the goat spelling? Yeah, our last vertical lines. See, children? G-O-A-T, goat. Last line. Horizontal line. Hope you got it. Circle the donkey. Okay, children? Now see, identify the next animal. What is that? It is a horse. What is that? It is a horse. So find the spelling in the grid. Yes, it is in the fifth line. See? H-O-R-S-E, horse. Circle the horse. Over, children. Now identify next animal. Yes, it is a sheep. Where is the sheep in the grid? Yes, it is in the first line. Defined. Yes, circle the sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Now identify the next animal. It is a dog. Where is the dog in the grid? See, in the third row. Third row, dog. D-O-G, dog. Circle the dog. Now, what is the next animal? It is a pig. Where's a pig in the grid? It is in the fourth row. Got it, children? P-I-G, pig. Circle the pig. Now, identify the next picture. It is a cow. C-O-W, cow. See in the second row. C-O-W, cow. Circle the cow. Okay, children? We finished this. Hope you have done this. Okay, shall we move to next page? Have fun with colors. Look at the picture of mothers and their babies. Here are the picture of animals, mothers and babies. Name them. Choose the names of the babies from the box. Color the mother and her baby with the same color. So, the circle, the babies are there. Out of the circle, mothers are there. So, identify the mother and the baby and color it same. Use same color. Okay, children? And also write the names. Here I have done for you. I used mother and the baby same color. Before I start recording, I have done this, children. Did you understand? Now, see first picture, cat. Where is the baby? Kitten. So, color it same. Use same color. Here I use dark pink color. And also write the spelling. C-A-T, cat. Now see next picture, children. Hen. Write hen spelling there, H-E-N, hen. So I used orange color here. Hen and baby chick. You can use any color, children, but should be same, mother and baby. Okay. Now see next, dog. Write D-O-G, dog there. Where's a baby dog? Puppy. Yes. Dog baby is puppy. I use brown color here. You can use any color, but should be same, mother and baby. Now see next picture. Next, cow. Write there, C-O-W, cow. Where's a baby calf? Use same color, children. I used blue color here. You can use any color, but should be same, mother and a baby. Next picture, duck. Right there, D-U-C-K, duck. I kept it white only, duck. Baby, duck baby is duckling. Here are the baby's names. See, kitten, duckling, calf, puppy, chick. Okay, children, did you understand? Cat, kitten, hen, chick, dog, puppy, cow, calf, duck, duckling. Over. So shall we move to the next page? Look at the Abhi's dress. Do you like it? Oh, it has no colors. Abhi's dress has no colors, no children. See in your textbook, it has no colors. Then what we have to do? We have to color the Abhi's dress. So see children, already I have colored it. See, I use some colors. Yellow, red color for buttons, green color for pocket, blue color for short, pink color for pockets. I used pink color, but it's looking purple. It mixed with the blue, no children. That's why it's looking purple. Okay, children. See, and collar, I used black color. Like this, you also color it, children. Okay, color it neatly. So, whatever colors we use here, those colors only you have to write in these boxes. See the heading, color the dress, write the names of the colors you have used. So whatever colors we used here, those colors names only you have to write here. Okay, so I used these colors. Some colors I used, no children, yellow, red, green, black, blue and pink. So I wrote only those names here. If you use other colors, you have to write other colors names. If you use same colors like me, write these names only. Okay. See how I colored? It's looking very neat, no? You also color it like this. Okay. Draw one pocket, draw the buttons, draw two pockets. Okay, children? And write the colors names. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Pink. P-I-N-K, pink. Green. G-R-E-N, green. Red. R-E-D, red. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Black. B-L-A-C-K, black. See on the screen and write the spellings, children. Blue, pink, green, red, yellow, black. Okay? If I'm moving fast, pause the screen and write. Okay? So, shall we move to next page? See page number 23, children. Given below are the steps to draw a cat. Follow the steps and draw a cat. So, same. You also draw 4 boxes. Draw 4 boxes and follow the steps and complete the picture, children. What cat? Follow the same one box. See one box and complete the cat picture. Here it is not given, children, to color. That is your wish, children. If you want to color it, you color the picture. Okay. So follow the same steps and complete the picture. So here I have not done, children, but you complete it. Okay. So name the above cat and write about it. So by seeing that cat, we have to write about the cat. Here are the some lines, no, children. We have to write about the cat. So already I have written. See on the screen and write, children. Repeat after me these lines. The name of the cat is Pussy. The name of the cat is Pussy. It is white in color. It is white in color. It likes milk very much. It likes milk very much. It also likes curd. No, children? Cat likes milk and curd. It also likes curd. It catches the mice and eat. That is E-A-T, children. It's looking like C, but that is E-A-T, eat. It catches the mice and eat. It sounds meow meow. How the cat sounds? Meow meow. It sounds meow meow. It hides here and there. It hides here and there. See the spellings properly and write. Okay. The name of the cat is Pussy. It is white in color. It likes milk very much. It also likes curd. It catches the mice and eat. It sounds meow meow. It hides here and there. Again, I repeat, children, these lines. The name of the cat is Pussy. It is white in color. It likes milk very much. It also likes curd. It catches the mice and eat. It sounds meow meow. It hides here and there. Hope all are writing. Over, children. Shall we move to next page? Wow, it's a time to sing and dance. See the heading: sing, dance and add lines. Okay, children, are you ready to sing and dance? What is the title of the song? My Little Sweetie. What is the title? My Little Sweetie. Okay, children, try to sing along with me. Okay. My little sweetie, black little sweetie, jumping here, jumping there, jumping here and there. My little sweetie, black little sweetie, jumping here, jumping there, jumping here and there. Add lines to the song, children, okay? See on the screen and complete the lines and sing along with me, children. Okay. My little ducky, white little ducky, dancing here, dancing there, dancing here and there. My little ducky, white little ducky, dancing here, dancing there, dancing. Puppy, playing here, playing there, playing here. My little puppy, brown little puppy, playing here, playing there, playing here and there. I think you enjoyed the song, children. How it is? Very nice, no? Okay, children, you sing and practice. And also complete these lines. See on the screen and complete the lines, children. Okay? Okay, children, again we'll focus on grammar book. Okay, till that time, take care, children. Stay safe, stay home. Be happy. God bless you all.